the 1998 Chevrolet Corvette. This two-door, two-passenger coupe just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 330 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.